Hey sweethearts! So today I have a big Frill Japan and Sanrio Japan haul, which Frill Japan is a second-hand site from Japan where I get my clothing. If you don't know how or why or whatever, go to my video about how to shop from Japan. There's a tutorial thing. I will leave the link down below if you want. Yeah. So there's everything is explained if you don't understand what I'm doing. So yeah, everything, all the clothing is second-hand and the Sanrio stuff is just new. So yeah, I will start with the clothing, I think. And then I'll start with the most expensive item, which actually thankfully I didn't have to pay for myself. But I got a huge customs fee on this package this time, but that's because it was really a lot of stuff and a lot of stuff in there, and it was very expensive all in total. So my dad gave this to me, got this for me for my birthday and graduation basically. It still wasn't that expensive because I would never, he said it himself, you can buy a dress if you want, and I was just like wow. So I got some Angelic Pretty second hand, and I got Angelic Pretty's Magic Princess, I think it's called. And it's absolutely beautiful. At first I was unsure about the pastel yellow, but recently I've been getting into pastel yellow actually. So yeah, I will insert either pictures or video, I will see. Yeah, look, look. So this is absolutely gorgeous. It has these heart buttons to start with, which are gorgeous. Then of course these lace-up details, and I don't know if you can tell, but it actually glitters. Like in real life it glitters. It's the best thing ever. It has this golden hem, or however you call it in English, and it has this on the back too, and you can tie it up as always with Angelic Pretty dresses. But the print is just the best. It also glitters. It's obviously very hard to show on camera, but it's absolutely gorgeous. All these castles. I will probably like have to take time to just stare at it for a while, because it's just so gorgeous, honestly. I'm just wow, wow! Isn't it beautiful? Also love that they have gold in there because it fits with my glasses instead of silver. And it has just this normal lace for once. I usually got the fancy lace before, so this is the first time it's just normal. But honestly, with the print being this awesome and this glittery and everything, and the colors are just all my favorite colors, I'm so happy that I got it. And for Angelic Pretty it was a steal. It's just wow, wow. And it's like brand new. I can tell that it has been worn, except that the tags are missing obviously, but yeah. It also has pockets again, which is always awesome. I will insert a full pic of the dress in general, and then yeah. And so I got this, which is absolutely gorgeous. I'm very happy about it. And I continue with this, which is a big disappointment to be honest, because I don't know, I will have to go back, but on the pictures it looked pastel blue, and this is grey, like straight A grey. It's not even a discussion what it is, because it looked like, I'm not really into grey, so I will probably sell this skirt. Otherwise it's fine, it has great quality from what I can tell. Yeah, the brand is Retro Girl. Yeah, this skirt, like you can tell, I'm obviously not too happy. I don't know, I'd be selling this for like €7 plus shipping, so if anyone's interested, let me know. That was a big of a disappointment for me, because I ordered the pastel blue one, but okay. I don't know, maybe she edited the picture that way, I'm not sure. You can't really like complain with the shopping service because it's not their fault. Next I got something from WC, which is actually my first item from WC. I've been wanting to get something from them for a while now, but I don't know. From their site it was too expensive for me directly, because I don't know, it's not as cheap as people say, I think. So I found something secondhand, and I just thought I really wanted it because this is Wi-Fi sign with a heart. Because the internet is your life, and that is me, and I love it. Just this polo shirt, I guess, but I love it. I don't know, I think it's really cool and cute and quirky and everything, so yeah. This was also very cheap. I think I only paid 800 yen, which is like €6.70 or something right now, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, it's the shirt. And next up, I got something from Swankiss. I actually got three Swankiss items. I always wanted something from Swankiss, but even on the second-hand market I couldn't afford it, but this time I could. So I got this on top. I haven't tried this on yet though. I hope it will fit, so if it doesn't I will sell it, or if it looks weird on me. But it's this pink top with lace, and it has the Swankiss in here. It even has the tag still, which is crazy. And yeah, it's really cute. It has a lot of lace. I like the lace. And yeah, it looks adorable. You can unzip it there. Yeah. Next up, I'm not sure if I will keep this. It fits me fine. I wasn't sure about getting it in the first place. It's also from WC, just a tag in there, and it's their, like, probably a lot of you know them, the big pants with the heart cutouts. They fit me perfectly, and they're also long enough, which is crazy. I think they're supposed to go over your shoes, so with me being tall, it's actually long and normal length for once, which is, like, usually doesn't happen. So they're just these pants. They're very high quality. I'm not sure if I will sell them yet because they fit, but I don't know if it's my style. I will see. I will try to record it how I like. They have huge pockets, so basically they have these heart cutouts on both legs, and it's really cool. I don't know, obviously I like them, so I got them, but I don't know if I like the style of them being very wide because they're this big, if you can tell. I don't know if I like it on me because I'm already tall. I think it would look cuter on a smaller person, I guess. But let's see. Yeah, I got these. I'd be selling them for like, so like 50 euros plus shipping, or yeah, because they were expensive and they're like brand new. If I would sell them, I'm not sure yet. And so if you're interested, you can hit me up, but yeah. Probably better on Instagram though, because I don't know, I don't look into messages here that often. So then I also got this random skirt. I don't know, it looked more lavender in the pictures, but I don't know, it's fine, like a more mauve color, or however you call it. So it goes like this. It has this skirt underneath, but you can obviously not use that. It's just if you to cover yourself up. And it's just long see-through skirt, and I will probably get a lot of use out of that because I love things like this that go over, and it's good for layering and looking extra, so I like this very much. We'll probably get rid of this and just wear another shorts that are cuter underneath. Yeah, I think this is cute. I like it. It was very cheap. I think it was 700 yen, so like 6 something. And then I got just a basic skater skirt. The brand is Coquette. I don't know. It looks very high quality. It was very cheap, like something like 4 euros, I guess. Yeah, it's just white, plain white. I didn't have a white one. I was like, let's just get a second-hand one. It's better for the planet. Just instead of getting one from AliExpress, because it was also cheap here, so I just got this one. It looks very nice. It also fits, I think. And I was very unsure about getting this because it is just so ugly, but also ugly cute. Do you know what I mean? It reminded me of my grandma so much. My grandma is not ugly, I mean just the look of it. I don't know, this dirt, I think that was me. Just look, it's from Swankiss. Look, It's this giant ugly sweater with this giant fuzzy cat, and it has a bow. It's from Swankiss. It has a face. I think I will keep it. I don't know, it was ridiculously expensive for what it is, but it's, I don't know, it's Swankiss, so Swankiss is very expensive full price. I love it actually. I'm not sure about the shade of pink, if it's too like tuna shade, but I think I will keep it anyway because it just makes me so happy. I love my grandma and it reminds me so much of my grandma. That's honestly the key point why I got it. I miss my grandma so much. And I don't know, so I'll think about my grandma when I wear this. Yeah, it's really cute. It's just like this fuzzy cat. I love it. Yeah. So that's that. I have already shown you all of that. Oh yeah, I'm sorry that I always put on the stuff that I haul, but I can't help it. I'm obviously very excited about the stuff I buy, so I wouldn't buy it. I don't buy stuff which I'm not 100% excited about, except these pants, because I've been looking at this for so long, so I kind of forced myself to buy them. So it's also from Swankiss, and this is honestly, besides the dress, the thing I'm most excited about. It's like, it's so cute. It's this dress, and it has this V-neck cut, and it has this heart lace detailing, and the sleeves just go like this, and I will try to stand up, I think. Yeah, it has some underskirt actually, like this, if you can see, and it also has the heart hemline down here, and it says love letter on your boob, basically, in pink. And this is also pink, like very light pink, but I love the color combo of pink and blue. Oh no, my microphone went missing. And yeah, I love it a lot. So yeah, I think those were all the clothing items. I will put them back into the box. Yeah, so now it's time for the Sanrio stuff, and yeah, I love Sanrio. I usually can't afford much because it's not crazy expensive, but it's also not cheap. But this time the main reason why I got it, I saw it on Musu's. I can insert her Instagram down below. I saw it on her story, or was it Milky Princess? I'm not sure. I think both of them have thought about getting it or got it, so I'm not sure. I will just insert both of them. But I have fallen in love with Tuxedo Sam from Sanrio recently, since they came out with the Sleepy collection. Look at him. Look at him. He's the cutest. He has this little head to sleep, and then his pastel. I love that he did on pastel because obviously he has this small bow. And again, the pastel yellow with the pastel pink and blue, I like it. It fits perfectly with my dress. I will actually put it on my backpack because I'm going to Lolita meet soon. It's so detailed. If you put the blanket up, it's wearing a little blanket, and you can pull it down, and it's a whole penguin. It's a keychain. I don't know how much it was. I think I'd say it was like 14 euros, which I don't know. I don't think it's much for the quality and what it is, but it's also kind of much for it being a keychain. But I always get the keychains, so at least I have an excuse for what I will use them, because if it's only a plush, I can't justify it. And also the plushes, the normal plushes, are way more expensive, even though they're bigger too, so obviously it makes sense. But yeah, I love him so much. He might actually be, like, from Sanrio, he's my favorite item. Maybe he's the favorite item in general, because look at him. He's a little penguin. I love penguins. I love fat birds. I'm very happy about him. So like, yeah, I think 1,700 yen, I think, is what he was priced like, I think. Something like that, at least. I also got something else from Tuxedo Sam. Actually, I'm usually just a Cinnamon Roll fan, but Look, this keychain. It wasn't much. I'm not sure how much it was, but it was not expensive. I think like €5 or something, if anything. I know it's only plastic, but look. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. You can't say anything else. I'm sorry, you can't. There were like 3 versions. I think a pastel lavender, a pastel blue, and they all had different kind of things going on, but I like this one the best. And I don't regret it. It's the cutest thing ever. I love the little penguins. I also got these stickers on Line Camera. You can buy them for like €1. And yeah, so cute. And then I got some cinnamon roll socks in lavender because I haven't seen lavender cinnamon roll much before, and they weren't expensive. I think like €3 or €4, which is totally fine. Because Sanrio socks are great quality, by the way. If you're wondering, I have ordered some before, and I just had to get these, even though they were kind of expensive. They were like 1,000 yen, I think, and which is like so 780, I think, in euros. Look, your fuzzy socks with cinnamon roll's face and ears, and I don't regret it. I love it. They're very adorable. And then I had to plan. So I finally got a calendar, like a stand-up one. I haven't really got it ever. Just so I have it. I have 2 calendars, one to take with me, one at home, so whenever I miss one. It starts in January, so I can only use it for 2019, obviously. But it's all cinnamon roll. It's all very adorable. Yeah, well, and that shouldn't happen, but of course they change whatever like month it is, and I love that. And you have stickers too, which I didn't know yet. Yeah, and very adorable. Not expensive, I think €4, which is fine, totally fine. And the last item, which is something I really needed finally because it didn't come for so long, the package. And it's a planner, a cinnamon roll planner, a pastel cinnamon roll planner, which I adore. And I have already written some stuff in just now. It's October right now. And it's also like basically the same deal as the other one, just that it starts like the actual school year, I guess. It goes up, yeah. And you'll get a lot of stickers, which is just very awesome. Yeah. So that was that, and I think that was all from my haul. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. I definitely had a lot of fun filming it because I love all the stuff, especially this guy. Yeah, so thanks a lot for watching. I hope you're doing well. Bye!